This video demonstrates how to set up a chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. There are two options to set up a chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. The first option is to use the standard chart of accounts that is already set up when you purchase a new QuickBooks Online subscription. Now, these accounts can also be edited by clicking on this arrow and choosing the Edit button. You can add a number, description, and a Gst code. The other option is to also add any new accounts that you might deem necessary for your client. The second option to set up a QuickBooks chart of accounts, which is often used if you have a large number of accounts or you want to bulk import those accounts, is to click on the gear icon in the top right corner and select the Import Data option under Tools. On this page, we'll select the Accounts option. Now, to get the sample template to import all those accounts, there's actually an option in QuickBooks Online where you can select Download a Sample File. We'll just open it and see what the different column headers are. As you can see, there's an account number, account name, type, and detail type. Now, QuickBooks Online also gives you the ability to import Gst codes. You simply have to create another column called tax code and input the relevant Gst codes under this column for each of your accounts. Now, getting back to this page, we'll go on the Browse options and use the pre-populated chart of accounts template. Now, as you can see, all these accounts are automatically mapped. So we'll simply select the Next button, and you'll see on this page that all my chart of accounts in that Excel template that I'd used have been mapped to my QuickBooks Online chart of accounts here. I simply have to press Import, and it says 5 of 5 accounts have successfully been imported. Now, to have a look at the accounts that I imported, I actually used account numbers. So here you can see are the 5 accounts that I imported into my QuickBooks Online file. It's as simple as that. Thank you for watching this video.